Call them with a bell or with a rhyme. It's time to come to the circle, to the circle, to the circle. It's time to come to the circle. Come pick a book. Hello everyone, welcome to Marrykinder. My name is Maryam and I'm a stay-at-home mom to a kindergartner. Here on this channel, I'll be sharing some teaching content and my motherhood journey with you. Today's video is all about circle time, why circle time is so important for your toddlers and kids. Make a circle time basket, but what has to be included? Interactive books, socky pocky puppets, theme-related items to pass around, favorite finger plays, shapes flashcards, season flashcards, and alphabets if you want to. It's a special time where we celebrate seasons with stories, songs, and creative movements. During our circle time, we rotate between different activities. For example, reading a theme-based book builds a strong foundation for literacy and sequential movement. The children learn to conform to educational setting structures. We should keep circle time soft and sweet because kids have a very short attention span. They can't sit too long. Or must sit in a proper circle without too much fidgeting, and they must have a chance to express themselves and to listen carefully what their peers have to say. Some of the more introverted or quieter kids may usually hover in the background of less structured conversation. Circle times helps them to verbalize their thoughts and opinions and show them that their contribution is also valuable. How to perform a circle time? The kids sit in a circle, usually on a carpet or on a rug, and listening to the child care attendant or their mothers, and perhaps discussing a topic. You have to be open and flexible while you are doing your circle time with such young age groups. Don't think you have to do each and everything what have been planned. You can switch it up, you can change it. Circle time is generally used as a group learning time. It can consist of calendars, skills, story time, as well as a theme being taught. What changes you will see after performing a circle time with your child? They are able to participate in conversation without too much efforts. They are able to respond and interact spontaneously. You must do circle time with puppets because this is something very comforting to kids and they really enjoy it. So this is how your circle time basket actually looks like. I have prepared these cute socky pocky puppets and I have made the big props. Like I usually use jumbo crafty sticks rather than popsicle one. I always make sure that I laminate to keep them from bending as easily. You can include as much as material you can. You can include puppets or material which is related to your theme. It makes your circle time come alive. And kids can actually visualize. I think it helps them to be more attentive. The book which we are going to be reading and singing this week is Old MacDonald's Barn by Charles E.